Hey, this is Victoria in General Chemistry 1, Summer 2020. This is my interactive advanced concepts and number 2. So, here are my supplies. I have oil, food coloring, water. Can't really see it. There's my food coloring. And Alka-Seltzer tabs. So, we are going to take our empty bottle, fill it up with some water. Didn't really say how much water, so we'll put some in. And then I'm going to take this vegetable oil, and it's at about 3/4 full, with some room up at the top. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. You see how the water and oil separate due to their densities. Water is polar, so it has a strong bond, and then the oil is not attracted to the water molecules, and because it is nonpolar. And the reason it floats on top is because the oil takes up more space than the water molecules. Okay, here we go. We're going to try and make this teal. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. There. Okay, so there you can kind of see those food coloring drops in there. So I'm going to take this Alka-Seltzer and Alka-Seltzer has sodium bicarb in it, and the sodium bicarb in these Alka-Seltzer tabs are going to react with the water and will create a gas. And the gas is what causes the bubbles to float up. And so it is the sodium bicarb that is the limiting reactant. So, pretty cool. So, there's my experiment.